Hi friends, now we are going to check where we want to find in SAP standard program where standard transaction code where we can find a particular where in the code a particular table is getting called. Okay, so suppose I am in this transaction ME22N. Okay, and here I have I have material document, I have this invoice number, everything is there. Now I have a requirement where I want to know at what point is this the table behind this is getting called. So the table behind this I know for sure is EKB. So how will I know where it's getting called? So what I'm going to do is before I go here, I'm going to hit /h, and at this point now I'm going to enter /n me22. The moment I hit this, the debugger starts. Okay, now here you need to be very careful on what I am doing here. Now in this point we are going to this place called script. So this script here we are going to put load script, and by default you will see this will come. And here what we are going to do is just going to do a search. So here we are going to do select tab. Okay, stop at select but only for a specific database table. We'll just execute this. We'll click on this and we'll click enter. Now we'll start script, and here we are going to put the table name. It is EKB. So here we have put this table entry. Now you'll see it will stop at the place where we want it. So it's squaring, it's spinning, which is when it will stop, and eventually see it stopped here. It stopped at that particular place where we want that EKB table is being read. So this is simple thing that we just did. Now if you want, suppose we will do the same thing, we'll just stop this and we'll close the application. Okay, and here we will do the same thing for suppose invoice. Okay, at this point what we are going to do is suppose we go to FB03, and suppose we want to see where the vendor table like LFA1 and the business partner table is getting called or not. Okay, or AC docker table is getting called or not. So what we are going to do is we are going to do three table entries. One is BUT000, the the business partner table. The other one is LFA1, which is the table for vendor master, and the other one is the celebrated table AC docker in S4. So here we are going to do select tab, and the moment we do this, now we are clicking start script. And now here if you see I can put multiple entries. That's what I'm going to do. So what I'm going to do, I'll put BUT000, and here we'll put LFA1, and here I will put AC docker. And if you want I can put T001, which is for company code. Okay. And we are going to execute now. And let's see whether it gets called or not. Okay, so here we see the first thing we get is bookers getting called. Now we'll run the script, continue the script, and we'll see whether any another place it gets called. So it didn't call other things, it just called these places. So, and now suppose I want to change something, and probably when I change something will change document entry view, not allowing me to change anything. So oh okay, now the debugger starts, so probably it will stop again. So T001, it stops, Will it stop for others? Well, we'll see. No, it didn't stop. So here I'll just change it to S and we'll save it. And again, it stopped here, T001. And if you see, it will say continue script. We'll say it stops in another continue script. Let's see script, and that's it. So it stopped in T001 and it didn't stop in the other tables. So that's how it works. So we saw that. So this is going to be very useful, and I'm pretty sure this helps you to find where exactly your table is getting called, and you can find out uh, where you can put your code, where you can fix it, and all those things. So this is very useful, and and I'm pretty sure you will be using it all the time. So that's it. And this covers everything where you can find the exact spot where your standard table or custom table is called in a particular standard or custom transaction.